Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to use Google Bard to create an excuse letter. So let's get started. To begin, open your browser and type bard.google.com. If you haven't logged in yet, I suggest doing so before proceeding. We decided to put our ingenious digital companion, Google Bard, to the ultimate test by tasking it by crafting a joke that perfectly captures the timeless rivalry between dogs and cats. And what did we uncover? Well, that's where the thrill begins. It's a fitting homage to the AI's ever-evolving sense of humor. With a sample prompt like, share a joke about dogs and cats, invoking Google Bard conjures forth an instant and seemingly magical delivery of a joke that's bound to tickle your funny bone. Yet, fear not if your initial attempt doesn't quite land the punchline you envision. Exploring the drops open up a realm of additional choices, ensuring plenty of laughs to choose from. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.